The Pixel 10 Pro is coming soon, and we now have our first look at a real prototype, along with some interesting leaked details about its specs, design, and even the default ringtones and system sounds. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the latest leaks about the upcoming Google Pixel 10 Pro. A prototype of this phone has just surfaced online, and it reveals quite a bit about what we can expect when the device officially launches. Let's start with the biggest update, the Tensor G5 chip. This new chip will power the entire Pixel 10 lineup. Unlike previous Tensor processors that were built using Samsung's Exynos base, the Tensor G5 has been fully designed by Google from the ground up. This is a huge move for Google. By making its own chip design, Google can add special features to the Pixel 10 series that no other Android phone will have, not even older Pixel phones. And here's another big change. Instead of being made by Samsung like the older Tensor chips, the Tensor G5 will be manufactured by TSMC, the world's top chip maker. It will be built using TSMC's third-generation 3-nanometer process, also known as N3P. This means better power efficiency and stronger performance compared to previous generations. Now let's talk about the actual leaked prototype. The photos were shared on a site called Coolapp and then reshared by Mystic Leaks. These images show the front and back of the Pixel 10 Pro prototype. One picture clearly shows that it's a DVT 1.0 unit, which stands for Design Verification Test. That basically means it's a real working prototype used for testing. One of the most exciting confirmations from the leak is that the prototype is indeed powered by the new Tensor G5 chip, which goes by the internal codename Blazor. Now, there was a small typo in one of the screenshots suggesting it was made on a 5-nanometer process, but this is incorrect. As we mentioned earlier, the actual process is TSMC's more advanced 3-nanometer N3P node. As for the chip's configuration, here's what we know. High-performance Cortex X4 Core 2 Cortex A725 cores for balanced performance and efficiency more. Cortex A725 cores for handling heavy tasks smoothly, and 2. Cortex A520 efficiency cores for background tasks and battery savings. The prototype is also packed with 16 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, which is a strong setup for multitasking and performance. It's running a version of Android 16, though it's not a QPR1 build, meaning it's an early software version and may not reflect the final release. When it comes to connectivity, the Pixel 10 Pro prototype still uses the Exynos 5400 5G modem, which is the same modem found in the Pixel 9 series. That means we may not see big changes in mobile network performance, at least not in this area. Now let's move on to the design. From the back, the phone looks similar to past Pixel models, but there are a few changes. The camera bar on the rear panel now stretches closer to the edges. To balance this out, the metal frame around the rear glass appears thinner. The camera bump also seems a bit thicker this time, possibly to fit new sensors or lenses. Another small but noticeable change is the position of the SIM card tray. On the Pixel 6 Pro, it was at the bottom left side of the phone. But in the Pixel 10 Pro prototype, it has been moved to the top left edge. And here's something fun. The default sounds for the Pixel 10 line have also leaked. This includes the new ringtones, notification alerts, and system sounds. A YouTube channel called The Vakovsky has already shared these sounds in a video, so you can go listen to them and get a feel for what your new Pixel might sound like. As for the release date, all signs point to August 13th as the day Google will officially unveil the Pixel 10 series. That's just around the corner, and Pixel fans are already getting excited. With the new Tensor G5 chip, improved manufacturing process, and a slightly redesigned look, the Pixel 10 Pro is shaping up to be one of Google's biggest upgrades in years. So, what do you think about the Pixel 10 Pro so far? Are you excited about Google finally building its own chip from scratch? And what do you think about the new design changes? Let us know in the comments below. That's it for today's video. If you found this update helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any upcoming tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.